Inserting pictures. Pictures consist of photographs, clip art, etc. Let us see how you can add pictures in your document. Inserting a picture from a file. You can also insert a saved picture or a scanned photo into your document. To insert a picture or scanned photo, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Pictures command from the Illustrations group. 3. Browse to the location of the picture you wish to insert or select the desired image. 4. Click on the Insert button. Inserting online pictures. In Word, you can insert online pictures into the document. To insert online pictures in your document, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Online Pictures option. 3. Type a word in Bing image search box. 4. Select the picture you want to insert. 5. Click on the Insert One button.